Write. Make a bullet. When the minute hand is at 3, that means 15 minutes. So in that case, we can say quarter past. We can say quarter past. Okay, next one. I'll explain, don't worry. When the minute hand is at 9, that implies 45 minutes. That means what? Quarter 2, we'll write quarter 2. Complete this one first. I'm waiting for 2 minutes. Within this time, complete it. Huh? Those who have completed, they can raise their hand. Shakibuddin completed. Rahat or Kopriya, good. Acha, what to do? You will remember when the minute hand is at 3. That means you will write quarter past. And when the minute hand is at 9, that means you will write quarter 2. Now look at this. Jinia completed. Rabiul? Jinia, Rabiul completed or not? Spandan? Quarter past, na? Yes, to Arindo? Because the minute hand is at 3. Just now you have written. So it will be quarter past. Acha, quarter past now, what to write? Quarter past. Now look at our hand. Our hand is at what? At 9, na? So quarter past 9. Is it clear to everybody? Shadik, Rabiul, Othrin, Shaugato. Again I am telling. Suppose look at this. For this one, huh? Where the minute hand is there? At 3 too. Jinia? Jinia, minute hand is at 3. So when minute hand will be at 3, जब 3 पे होगा minute hand, तो क्या लिखना होगा? Which one will have to write? Quarter past? Yes or no? Shake your head if yes. Acha. So we will write quarter past. Now quarter past what? What will be the number here? Now look at our hand. Our hand कहाँ पे है? Our hand is at 12 ना? 12 पे है. So 12 लिखना होगा. Quarter past 12. The minute hand is at 3. That's why we'll write quarter past. The hour hand is at 12. That's why we'll write 12. Is it clear to everyone? Jinia, Jennifer, Ankush, Ayman, understood? Okay. Jennifer, are you happy today? Acha, okay. Acha, okay. All the student understood too. Otrin, Shaugatom, Afroz, Jubair, sit properly, beta. Jishan, Srijita, keep your camera on. Samraj, keep your camera on. Acha, suppose, look at this. Let me draw clock, huh? This one, though. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Yes? Yes or no? Srijita, Jishan Ali Jamadar, Afroz, done up to this. Look at this. No need to do. Try to understand. Huh? Acha, what will be here? Suppose the minute hand is at 3 and the hour hand is at 2. Then what will be? As the minute hand is at 3. So what will we write? Say Ritosri Ankush, the minute hand is at 3. What will we write? Quarter. Just now you have written. Copy paste. Just now you have written. Yes. Past. Yes, too. Past. Now look at our hand. It is at 2 now. So quarter past 2. Understood or not? Spondon? Acha, okay. Acha, suppose. Look at this. Wait a minute. Let me draw another clock. Let me write it again. Yes, Tom. Spandan, to say, look at this and say it properly. Huh? Suppose the minute hand is at 9. The hour hand is in between 2 and 3. Okay? अच्छा 9 means the minute hand is at 9. तो minute hand कहाँ पे है? 9 पे. So अगर 9 पे होगा तो क्या लिखना होगा? आप भी अभी जस्ट लिखे हो से quarter 2 तो not past, huh? Jinia, yes or no? Jennifer, Ankush, quarter 2, which one? अच्छा the hour end is in between 2 and 3. 2 और 3 के बीच में है ना? So always take the last one, the 3, the next one, okay? Not the first one. 2 and 3. So quarter 2, 3. Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear to everybody? Jinia, Otrin Ektas, Afroz Ali, Rabiul, Shaugato. Understood? Otrin, Jubair, Srijita, Jishan Ali Jamadar, Shamraj. Understood? Okay. Jubair, don't move from your place, huh? Good. Okay. Acha, Atrei, Shwachatwa, Farhan Akhtar, and Ritosri. Understood? Atrei, Shwachatwa, Ritosri, and Farhan Akhtar. Very good. Very good. Fatia Sultana, Shakibuddin, Rahat, not understood. Acha, और को प्रिया? अच्छा राहत, जब मिनट हैंड 9 पे होगा ना तब क्वार्टर 2 लिखना और जब 3 पे होगा मिनट हैंड तब क्वार्टर पास्ट. दैट वन क्लियर. नाउ क्वार्टर 2, लुक एट आवर हैंड. आवर हैंड कहाँ पे है? 2 और 3 के बीच में ना. तो यहाँ पे 3 प्रायोरिटी. जो नेक्स्ट वाला नंबर है वी विल गिव द प्रायोरिटी टू दैट वन. सो क्वार्टर 2 3 होगा. ओके. सपोज लुक एट दिस. Zubair, look at this very carefully, huh? This one minute hand and hour hand is in between 6 and 5. So as minute hand is at 9, Zubair, Rahat, it will be quarter to, yes or no? Quarter to 6. Very good. That means you have understood. Okay. Good. So it is clear. Acha, now one thing, let me explain. Suppose look at this figure. Acha, here minute hand is at 1 now. Hour hand is at 6. Acha, from 12 always we will start. 12 to 1 means it is completing 5 minutes. Then again from 1 to 2, one another place move means another 5 minutes. Another 5 minutes. That's why when it will be at 3, the total completion is 15 minutes. Got it, Fatia? At 3, and when it will be at 4, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. When it will be at 9, then it will fulfill 45 minutes covered. Got it? Farhan Akhtar, Shachatwa, Atreyi, Ritosri. Understood? Now do this one. All of you open your book. Page number 118. Complete this one. This one will be quarter past 9. Achha, now this is the in word. So the exactly time, how to write? It will be 9:15, yes or no? Because minute hand covers 3 places. 1, 2, 3. 3 5s 15. Yes, this one will be quarter past 12. Complete it. That means 12:15. Yes. Have you done? Ankush, Spondan, Jinia, acha, Jennifer, sit properly. I cannot see you better. Jennifer, okay. Acha, next one. Hour end is at 7 na? Minute end is at 3. So quarter past 7. That means 7:15. Complete this 3 first. Jinia, done? Orindam completed? Rabiul? No, acha, okay. Is this clear to everyone? Jinia, Jennifer, Rahat, again look at this. I am explaining. Suppose, acha, let me take, wait. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Look at this. Suppose the hour hand is at 8. The minute hand is at 4. That means 4 to. The easy way at which the minute hand is there 4. So just multiply by 5. 4 5s are 20. That means 20 minutes done. Why by 5? Look. From 12 to 1, we are moving 5 minutes. Another 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes. Got it? Now it will be 8:20. And after writing 8:20, what will be in words? Afroz, Zubair, what will be in words? 20 is there too. So you will have to write 20 minutes past. Then this 8 will come. 8. 20 minutes past 8. Is it clear to everybody? Atreyi, Shachatwa, Farhan Akhtar, Orkopriya, Rahat. Understood? Good. Shakibuddin, okay. Spondon, Ritosri done. Acha, no need to draw it. Let me just show you the question. Acha, so what will be number E? Write the answer of number E first. Yes, or we can write 5 minutes. Past 6. 5 minutes. Acha, Spondon, what are you doing? 5 minutes past 6. Do it first. Completed, Spondon? Okay. Acha, next match the following. Come to the next part. Look at this. Acha, it is 1 o'clock now. Which one will match? Look, this one is matching with this. It is given. Now do the next one. 3 o'clock. Okay. Acha, this one 7 o'clock. Next one 10 o'clock. Acha, this one I have not done, skipped. 5 o'clock. This one 4 o'clock. Done. Now this side. Acha, the minute hand is at 6 now, so it will be 11:30. It will be what? 11:30. Where is it? Next one. 2:45 na, this one will be. Just now I told, just now I have done this. Now the next one. 12:30. Okay. These are very much easy na. This one, look, minute hand is at 3. So 1/4, and the hour hand is at 2. So 2:15. Look, the last one. Farhan Akhtar, understood or not? Good. Acha, next one, look, the minute hand is at 6. So definitely it will be 8:30. The hour hand is at just crossed 8. Shwachata, are you doing? It will be 8:30. Now the next one. Look, here it is in 6 and the hour hand is in between 9 and 10. Na? So 9:30. Look at this. Complete this one first. Those who have completed, they can show me their copy, huh?